Prolaborate's whole idea is to take the models to the people who are not modelers. There is a lot of data in your EA models. We have hundreds of tag values, we have interrelations, we have the details or the traceability information model through connectors. So the tag values are the key part of models. If you ask me, what is the most important aspect of my model that I create, I wouldn't say diagrams. It's the relationships and the tag values. That's the most important things. But hey, that's still data. How do we really make use of the data? You need to have some way for people to do their analysis, their due diligence. How do we do that? In the past, we've been exporting data from EA into Excels and then using some BI dashboards or some visualization tools to be able to drive these dashboards. Most of you might have done it, but we wanted to have an integrated view in which we could just take the information from EA and do all that's necessary to let people drive their decisions based on that. It's very important information, as you could see, from motivation to business application, information technology layers. But to make sense of it, you need to know how to look at it. You need to know how to look at the traceability window. You need to know how to do the insert related elements or whatever. But there are better ways. Again, there are ways to just target the non-technical users. I'm emphasizing this again and again because we like Prolaborate's whole idea is to take the models to the people who are not modelers. If your team is only comprised of modelers, that's where Prolaborate comes into picture. So we can have personalized dashboards. So these dashboards can again be personalized to a role, to a group, or to even an individual user. Let's consider a business analysis person or a business analyst. You have the requirements in the model. Again, as you can see, they're buried deep down in a location within the EA model. But you have all the information for a modeler or a BA who is using EA to create all the information. But how do I really take this to a user who doesn't have an understanding of enterprise architecture? I can simply define a business analysis dashboard that presents the details in a straightforward manner. As you can see, there's a dashboard that categorizes requirements into could have, must have, should have, and won't have. And with just a click, the user will see a list with all the necessary details. Everything is incorporated seamlessly. Clicking here will display a list, and clicking on a list item will reveal the properties already defined. Thus, the user will only see the information I want them to see. This is all part of the user experience.